Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft, and I am Abiola. You're most welcome if you are new to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch. And if you are new, as I said, you're most welcome. Please consider subscribing so you can get to watch more video like this if this is what you like to watch. And today I'm going to be sharing with you something fun. Yes, sometimes back we went on vacation, and I made some things over there, and this is one of the reasons why I got the Cricut Joy, so I can have the freedom to make wherever I am. So today I'm going to be sharing with you from the hotel room what I made with my Cricut Joy. So keep watching and I'll be right back. First thing I did was to set up my Cricut Joy because it's new. I need to set it up, and if you don't yet have the app, just go to your app store and download the Cricut Design Space. So from there I clicked the machine setup, then it brought me this page. So you just follow the promptings on your app. It's very easy. It says select an accessory. You know, if it's Maker, it will bring a Joy, Cricut Maker, Cricut Joy, Cricut Explore, and so on like that. So now we want to activate Joy. Yes, so you accept the Cricut terms and you click next. So it's going to give you the machine update. This will take some minutes, so just be patient and it will update your machine for you. Just keep watching the space for it to finish updating, and it will reboot the machine for just some seconds. Great, your Joy is activated and set up. So click continue. Then you can also grab the Cricut access if you want to. Yes, so from there you test your core. So there are some things that came with the Joy that you can use to test, and it's also a way of practicing how to use that. So you insert your blade. This also came with the Cricut Joy. You set it into the machine. After you might have plugged it, then you start your cut. So you press the go button, then your cut will start, and as you can see, the cut is in progress. That is it. Yeah, so now we are done setting up the Cricut Joy machine, and we can start designing. So I'll be introducing the materials to you for today's project, but before then, let me go into Canvas and pick the design I'll be using for my first project with my Cricut Joy. Because we are on the beach, so I will be using something related to the beach because I'm going to be customizing a beach wear for my boy. This one says life is better on the beach. I have several of these beach words on my design space already, and I'm going to be using one of them. So do not forget to resize your design to your shirt. So you want to measure your shirt first, then resize your design to it. So let me introduce to you. So this is the polyester shirt I'll be using for this project, and this I got from Walmart. It was on a clearance, and this is the Cricut Joy. Yes, then we also have a trimmer for this project for me to cut the material that I'll be putting on the shirt, and this is my Cricut accessory I need to use after cutting. A tape is needed, a Cricut mat that came with the Joy, and infusible ink for the shirt, and you need a paper We also need a lint roller, the Cricut mini press, very handy to travel with. And now I'll go ahead and open up my infusible ink. So infusible ink goes well with polyester shirts, if you don't know. So that is it. I'm going to be getting the bright color for the shirt. This is a very important step you don't want to skip. You want to measure your shirt to know the size of the design. So when you are resizing your design on the Cricut design space, you want to be accurate. So that's the first thing I always do. Then it also helps me to know what to cut from my material. So, and this mat is just 4 by 6, and this is a little boy shirt, so it worked perfectly with this. So I removed that. Then I already cut out the size I want, which I already measured out, and I'm going to be sticking that the ink side up. So with infusible ink, you want to do the ink side up. Then after you might have set up your machine, plug it, then you send the mat. My cut is ready. So as you can see, it's so clean and nice. So now I'll go ahead and weed it with the Cricut accessory. So this I got so I can travel with it, so it will fit in the bag, the Cricut Joy bag. If you are here to watch my video, the previous video where I shared the new Cricut supplies that I got, just go back one video. I think it was last week. Go watch that, and you see where I shared all of this. So at the tip, you want to start opening up the material so you can reveal the actual design. So you remove those parts that you don't want to see on your design, and you just peel it out like so. Be careful not to peel the actual design that you want to put on your shirt. This is it. Beach days, best day. So I just have to remove some little tiny parts in the middle to reveal the A and the Y and the whatever. I need to remove those tiny little parts, and you can see. So I can actually use both if I want to, because I neatly peel them. Yeah, so now I'm going to be getting ready to put this on my shirt. So I'll turn on my Cricut mini press, and for infusible ink you want to go to the highest temperature. It has 3 buttons, so you go to the highest one for infusible, and you also need a mat, Cricut mat, to cushion your shirt while you are pressing. So just press that down like so, and you need to use your lint roller to get all the tiny particles out of your shirt, and just prepare it clean for your design. I actually did that off camera. So the next thing to do is to get the midpoint of your shirt so that you can place your design on it accurately. So what I do is fold my shirt into 2 like so, and get a point up there that will tell me that's the midpoint. They also fold my design into 2. Then you also need a tape to measure where you want it to be from the leg line For children, I do 1 to 2 inches. Yes, and you also want to be sure about both sides. Yes, that they are equal, so you have the perfect placement and it's not one-sided. So now that that is done, my mini press is heated up. When it turns green, that means it's ready to be used. So you need this paper to protect your design, and just press away. So you just want to move that around and be sure the heat is evenly distributed. So if you're interested to get any of this supply, I will have links in the description where you can get them, and they'll be delivered to you at no additional cost to you. Just check the description, and if you want more videos, I have also added more videos in the description. You can check it out, other videos for beginners. So I noticed that the heat wasn't evenly distributed. You know, if I were to be home, I will use my Cricut Easy Press 3, so it will be perfect. Yeah, but I got the best I could yeah, away from home, and I really like it. I love the way it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do want to give it a like, subscribe, and leave your comment. Let me know what you think about it. And this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness, because it's in your hand. See you in the next video. Bye.